Kitchen in the kitchen. Hi, so Thanksgiving just passed and Christmas is coming up. Hi, and with all of the holidays, there's of course those holiday leftovers that you kind of just get sick of. Hi, eventually. So we're gonna use those holiday leftovers, to make a couple of things. I've got mac and cheese on the stove. And I'm just gonna add some turkey to that, and that's gonna be my lunch, cause that's something my family likes to eat. We like to repurpose all of our leftovers into anything. Something we usually make is everything but the kitchen sink soup or garbage pail soup. Where we just put everything that kind of goes together into a pot with some broth, maybe a little salt and pepper and some seasoning, and make a soup out of it. It's a great way to reuse those leftovers in a different way and kind of break up just eating cold turkey and old mashed potatoes. So because of the move, we don't have a whole lot of leftovers. Usually there's a lot more. But we're moving in like 3 weeks, so we don't have a whole lot of leftovers, but I'm gonna change what we do have left into Thanksgiving Day meals. Some carrots chopped up in here already, because that's loud and it takes me forever. We've got, my mom cooks our turkey covered in bacon. So I've got bacon with our turkey. Because it's delicious. Some smashed potatoes. We didn't make mashed potatoes this year. Instead, we took small potatoes, boiled them until they were cooked, then smashed them on a cookie sheet, covered them in butter and herbs and cheese, and rebaked them until they were just a little bit crunchy. And that'll go right in with the turkey and the carrots. It'll be really good. Especially with that bacon in there. There's some leftovers gone. You could do whatever you really wanted. And just use what you have. You don't have to make anything super fancy. All we're doing is changing the profile, the flavor profile a little bit, and the texture profile of it. So it's not gonna be like Thanksgiving. It'll remind you of Thanksgiving, but it's not gonna be exactly. But you get the gist. I'm gonna do some corn in mine. A little bit of corn. And again, you don't have to measure anything. I'm not measuring anything, but it's like a cup and a half of corn that I added to mine. And there's probably 2 cups chopped turkey. I have no idea about the potatoes. And it was 1 carrot. If you're trying to replicate, this is our gravy. From Thanksgiving. It's a lot of gravy. So yeah, we're just gonna pour this in. Give it a stir. And you always want to try whatever you're making before you add any of your seasonings, because you can make it way overpowering and you don't want to do that. Cup or 2 gravy in this. You do it how you want. I want mine a little bit more on the wetter side. You don't want it swimming though. You want it just kind of moist enough that, you know, it's not all going to dry out, because we will be baking it again, and everything in here is already cooked. So you don't want it to turn into total mush, but you want it moist enough that it's not going to dry everything out. But if you have it too wet, your pie dough isn't going to crisp, and your pastry isn't going to crisp and give you that nice like flaky pastry dough that everybody wants. is, hi, some harder cheeses, some very like strong cheeses. And we're just gonna dump it in. Hi. Taste everything. Oh, that's good. That's really good. It's like Asiago and maybe a bit of Parmesan and hard cheddar. Hi. Which to me tastes good. Everybody is different with cheese. You don't have to add cheese. I like it. Hi. I like cheese. Textured. Not something I can handle right now. Hi. For reference, hi. My sensory disorder, hi, makes me unable to eat a lot of textures. So on Thanksgiving Day, I pretty much only ate mac and cheese. Hence, hi, my mac and cheese back there. Because I don't know if I'll be able to eat this. It tastes good. It like the taste is on point. And once I bake it and it's warm, it should be better. My face doesn't like a lot of stuff. Hi. That makes it really hard for me to eat, so not surprising. Hi. It tastes really good though. I think my family will like it. A little bit of pepper. It doesn't really need salt. Since we've got that gravy and the bacon in there, it doesn't, for my family, need salt. But, you know, each to their own on the salt. Yeah. Easy lunch. This is a bit more of like a dinner. I'm gonna let that sit and kind of sit and do its thing because I don't need it right now, and I'm gonna clean up. Hi. And set up for doing the dough. Hi. The dough. So I will see you in pie dough. Hi, welcome back. So this is just basic pie dough. Hi. You know, my usual recipe, which will be found in the description. Hi. So, hi. You're just gonna roll it out to like normal enough. Hi. So you want it like 1/4 of an inch. You want it thin, but not like you're gonna break it if you breathe on it thin. Hi. Because it's still got a hold in all of our filling here. There's 2 ways you can do this. I'll show you both. Hi. So we're gonna make like a hand pie kind of thing. Hi, kind of like a hot pocket. Where you take your dough and you're just gonna scoop some of this right there. Hi. And just scoop it in. And then, hi. We're just gonna fold it over and pinch the sides like for a Pop-Tart. Hi. And then hope they don't break when we bake it. Hi. And I did not stuff this enough. That's okay. Hi. Trim it up. Hi. Pick it up. Put it in. Hi. And then the other take a cupcake pan. Hi! And I don't make things in small quantities. Very often, I'm gonna take a square of your pie dough, put it in your muffin tin. Hi! Just to line it. Pinch it up. My square is not big enough. Hi! My square is not big enough. I gotta redo that. And you're gonna place it in an ungreased tin. Hi! So you don't grease your pan when you make a pie. You don't grease your tin when you're making these. Hi! And it's just because of the type of dough being used. It's got enough fat in it that it won't stick, or it shouldn't stick. I'll find out when I open the oven after baking these. And you're just gonna line your muffin tin like you would your pie pan. Hi! Scrape off your excess. Hi! Fill in any holes. Which, hi! You're not technically supposed to do, but I do it because gluten-free pie crust is super brittle. You're gonna just fill it up with your stuff, as much as you can stuff in there. Hi! As much as you can. So, probably put like half a cup of our filling in there. And you can leave it open like this. You don't have to. I'm gonna just put a little top on. Hi! Make it like an actual little like pie. But you don't have to. You can do either way. Hi! And I'm gonna do some movie magic so that you don't have to sit and watch me do this for the next hour. Alright, so once you're done packing up all of your all of your little pies, either like this or in your cupcake pan. Hi, you're gonna put them in a 350-degree oven for probably about half an hour, 45 minutes. You want that pie dough to really be crisp and be cooked and crisp and crunchy and flaky and all the good things that pie dough is supposed to be. Hi! Now I may have too much pie dough still, so I'm gonna do poor man's cookies, which I'm gonna take some jam. This is cherry preservatives. Hi! I don't know. It'll be good. Hi! And I'm just gonna roll it out into a nice little square like I did here. Hi! Sometimes I use cinnamon and sugar, but I'm doing cherry preserves today because I don't want to make cinnamon and sugar. Hi! 2. And you just spread it out into a nice even layer. Hi! It will be very sticky and very sweet, and this will be our dessert. Hi! After I take all of those out. Hi! You could do this with any kind of jam or jelly, or you could do it with honey or cinnamon and sugar. Hi! Whatever kind of like sweet thing you wanted to do with it. Hi! And you just want like a really nice thin layer. Hi! Before you go and you roll it up. Hi! Once you roll it up, you're just gonna slice it into pinwheels. Hi! Place it on a baking tray. And then into the oven for about 20 minutes. to cook that pie dough until it's nice and crispy. Hi. And the jam will melt. Hi. And some of it might ooze out and caramelize on the bottom of the pan. Hi. So just beware of that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in about, 20, 30, 40. So look how pretty that is. So yeah, it does take about 40 minutes-ish, to get that beautiful golden brown on all of your pies. This one busted open while I was baking. That's okay. It'll still taste really good. And these are all done. And cookies are in the oven. When they come out, they'll be just as golden brown and delicious. So, yeah. Hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving. Happy whatever. And I hope this gives you some ideas on how to use those leftovers. That everybody always has. And nobody knows what to do with.